Morning.
Morning, have you seen them magpies there?
Oh, you've seen them all the time, you.
Oh.
Right, get yourself ready.
Oh, God.
How are you feeling?
I'm okay. I was a bit jittery last night, but I calmed myself down.
Did you?
Yeah, and I've been up since like 5:30 this morning.
5:30?
Yeah, just because just didn't want to be rushing.
Right, get yourself ready. Well, today we've got, tell them your name.
Kaz.
Kaz. Tell them what you're doing up in Durham. Very smart young lady.
I'm doing my Masters in Law.
Masters in Law, she's up for a year. Should have had lessons way down in, where are you from?
Cornwall.
I don't know what they're doing with her down there, but it wasn't right, bless her. And then she had one up here and you got dumped, didn't you?
Yeah.
So, she's worked hard and we're going for a first time pass with 3 minors, but up with Dick when we get to the test and to see how she drives. Tell them where your boyfriend passed.
Well,
How many goes?
second time.
Well, we're going to beat our boyfriend today. She's going for first time, no more than 3 minors, yeah?
Oh, God.
Go on then, let's go.
Okay.
What's your boyfriend called?
Harrison.
Who?
Harrison.
Harrison. What a
Yeah.
nice name.
It is, isn't it?
He's a smart guy, isn't he, from what you've told us about him?
Yeah. It is.
Well, we had the final mock test yesterday. Tell them what you feel for.
3 of the same minor, didn't I? I wasn't looking over my shoulder and I'm
See,
silly.
done all the difficult stuff really, really hard and failed on the easy stuff. Now I know what we need to work on this morning, so at the end of the road, turn right. That's how exactly how I would have done it. Lovely technique, young lady. Lovely technique. So it's inch perfect from yesterday. Remember how far you pulled off the curb yesterday?
I'm a better today.
Well, that's perfect, that isn't it? Drive on when you're ready.
Okay, good.
Yeah, then yeah.
That changed at the last minute.
That was on red as you come round.
Yeah.
Oh, careful.
That changed at the last minute.
That was on red as you come round.
Yeah, you
Oh,
can't see that very clearly.
Yeah, but you're going round too fast.
I did have my foot on the brake.
Yeah, a little bit more. I showed you that one, haven't I?
No, I've never had that as a red light.
Yeah, but on the test it always comes on as red, doesn't it? So you're going to be careful if you come along with this phone,
Okay.
yeah? Everybody feel.
Can't explain myself anymore.
Look at all the bad stuff out the road.
Yeah. It's just because I don't want to be getting loads of minors.
You're not going to get loads of minors, don't worry about that.
See.
You're not going to get picked loads of minors. Just do what you normally do, don't overthink things. I'll tell you what I'm going to do with you. If you see a repeater sign round here,
Yeah.
I'm going to give you this lesson for free. Got that?
Okay. I saw it like maybe I missed the next 31, but
Oh, you missed the next 31s, alright. I don't know how you
that
missed.
flashing one.
Yes, that was because you were driving a bit fast.
Yeah, that's the first one I saw because you said about it.
Okay. Well, what did I say? Near distance, middle and far, keep your eyes moving left and right hand sides.
I really hope they don't speak to me too much today because I do think I'm putting
You'll only do it on the switch, right? Concentrate, we're going to do the controls somehow. We haven't got much time, so give me it first time. Have you got that?
Okay.
Stop. Drive on when you're ready.
Really put that handbrake on, didn't I?
On the left. Left surely. You need the left one because you're in the middle of the road, aren't you?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Well, the technique was Pretty impressive, dear me. I'm pleased there was a backrest on here.
It's because I've got heavy feet.
Yeah, I know that. Well, you recorded driver fault because you didn't look over your left shoulder.
Okay, right, yeah.
That's how the examiners do it.
Oh God. I don't feel too bad though.
Well, we're going there now, young lady.
I know.
It's time to rock and roll and blast this test out of the park, yeah?
Yeah.
Countdown time now, we've got 14 minutes.
Oh God. Do you have to go and like sit in the centre?
Yes, take the second road to the right, that's the first one.
Oh God. I had a banana this morning.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Well, make it look good because they'll be watching out of the window. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's their room there up there, so they'll be looking at you.
Oh.
They'll be checking you out and thinking, oh, who's
Who's
this? Yeah. Let me see, let's see if you can
Which
reverse it.
one?
Anyone you want?
Well, I don't want to go next to them, but then I feel like I won't have enough room. Well, I'm already doing this one here.
Make it look good. Owl in the snail.
You say owl and the snail? For looks and speed?
Yes.
Got ya. I think I'm just in.
It's alright for me, that. I hope they're watching. Won't you down and have a look?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I'm in.
Pretty decent. Was anybody watching you there?
I don't know.
Damn. Right. Now, take the key with you, look. That one opens it. That one closes it, yeah?
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, where do I go?
We're going upstairs. Well, it's time to wish this young lady the very best of luck. She's had one serious faulty hour before. What was it? Go on, tell me.
The roundabout? Or
Might have just getting away with that.
Okay. There was a red light and I just stopped over the line.
You tried to blow a red light, didn't
No,
you?
I did try to stop. I just stopped over the line.
Go on and give us a prediction.
I think I could pass, but I think
How many
maybe
minors?
5 I'm going for.
Well,
But I want less than that.
that's exactly what I would say. The drive this morning has been a few minors, not many. Probably about the 4 or 5 mark, but we're going to have to go for 2 today to match your boyfriend, yeah?
Oh, but he passed second time.
Yeah, well, there's no competition, but we still passed the first time. So we need first time with 2 driver faults. That's what we're going for today. It's been a lovely drive, very skillful. I've enjoyed it. Just a dodgy red light, that was all.
Yeah.
To be fair, most pupils would fail on that traffic light, but you knew it anyway, yeah? Right, it's time to find final last words. I'm going to meet the examiner now.
Oh God.
Yay! It's the final 40 minutes of your life. Now you can do this, yeah? Take
Thank
that.
you. And I did an emergency stop within the first 5 minutes.
Did you?
Yeah.
Wow, well done.
And then I had parallel park and I aced it. Honestly.
What a
Because he didn't even, you know when sometimes they go, are you happy with that?
Yeah.
He just went, great, thank you, carry on. And I was like, oh, brilliant.
Well, we're back off test. There you go. Well done.
Thank you.
What a start. What's the boyfriend called again?
Harrison.
Harrison. When you meet your dear young lady, throw some rose petals on the floor for her. Have you got that? Throw them on the floor. First time 2 money's, young man. How does it feel?
I don't feel like it's real.
Why?
It'll kick in. Because I've waited so long to get this.
Yeah. Well, you
But
should have met me early, shouldn't you?
I know, I don't think people are going to believe me.
Why?
Don't know, because I just...
It's a great feeling, though, isn't
It's
it?
so good.
Well done. Star. Oh, 2 minors.
Yeah, I'm chuffed with that. I don't want to be getting loads. I did not want to be getting loads today, so
Oh,
I got all my
excellent.
bad habits out on the drive before.